Sean Yu.
Okay.
Okay, Mulan's.
Alright, there you go.
I was like, nah.
She's thinking about making it Avalanche.
She just does it herself. She doesn't tell them. She knows.
Impulse decision.
What is she gonna make? Like
She got better at it. But
One curse and one war. What the king said.
let's go. What a callback. She's brave though, for just running out.
A wall
Damn,
like that just
Mulan.
coming at you.
you literally have one shot at her.
Yeah.
So solid.
You gotta hurry up. Yeah, go.
It's time for
That part.
For sure. Yeah, actually.
Help her.
Yes.
Sounds like he switched cigarettes.
Oh no, he's stuck on it.
Missy.
I don't think that was the thing she was aiming at, my guy.
There it goes.
Yes, come on.
That's the play.
Help her.
Wait.
Go.
That's scary.
Go on, mate.
That's the real.
Get on. Yeah, Avalanche is
Move this rock.
Nice. He's so tiny. Less casualties.
He's gone.
Put it in sprint.
Oh, Kirky.
Yeah.
Lucky critter.
This horse is holding it down, bro.
That's impossible though.
They're coming.
When you have this for me, it looks a bit better because
Just pray.
it all blended into the
Safety through this.
That's the thing. They're looking at it, but